Hello everyone, here's my brief lesson plan on teaching the importance of nutrition when it comes to academic performance in a 6th grade math class setting. So the lesson's on nutrition and its importance for academic performance, and I'll be giving this one-day lesson to a 6th grade math class. And the goals I created for this lesson, and let's see, it's a 50-minute class, and I've scheduled in 45 minutes, so I figure it'll take me about 5 minutes to get going in the beginning, I suppose. But the goals are to inform students of the effects of nutrition on academic performance. And while I do that, I plan on having the students practice converting fractions into percentages. Because it's such a big part of nutritional labels, and of course it's an important concept to understand. You know, what is a percentage? What does it mean? How do you determine a percentage? How does that relate to fractions? And then lastly, it'd be nice if I could increase my students' ability to interpret nutrition labels and give them some important tools and knowledge when it comes to reading nutrition labels and what to look for in a healthy product. And the objectives will be to complete the nutrition label worksheet. I think that's what I'm supposed to put for objectives. And in terms of time, I've broken it up. The lecture will take 10 minutes. Then I'll give them a brief intro into the worksheet and make sure they understand what I expect from them before I group them up into small groups to complete that worksheet, and gave them 15 minutes there. And then after the worksheet, I was planning on having a whole class exercise where I put up on the projector some quick options of 2 food choices and what food choice would be better. And then and for an exit ticket, I'm going to give them a nutrition label that's got the percentages blotted out, but it still tells you the recommended daily intake and how many calories there are for each of those parts of the food. And so they'll have to give me the percentage before they leave for the day. So materials will be a nutrition label worksheet, the slides for the beginning lecture, and the class activity slides for the end, and including that the quick nutrition label slide. And I'll also provide little slips of paper so they can write their answers down on that for the exit ticket.